In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the importance of being able to use your hip and not just moving your ankle to make different sounds. I'm going to use a shuffle as the example. So on my poster, I mentioned that we have to be able to initiate movement from our hip. Everything's not just tight at our ankle. Our ankles actually have to stay pretty relaxed and loose. It's an interesting combination of a very purposeful movement, but relaxed. So if I was to do a shuffle just from my ankle, which is very wrong, I have just my toes are brushing and spanking the ground, but that is not correct at all. And that's one example where an injury can happen if the person is not using their legs correctly. So there's a few variations on this, but a more correct technique would be to have a nice relaxed leg and the movements coming more from my hip, almost like a little internal external rotation. So my ankle is relaxed, and it's that movement of my leg that allows my toes to hit the ground. You can see that difference. Or sometimes you'll see in beginner tap dancers, as they're just trying to figure things out, the shuffle might happen from their knee. And in the beginning, that's okay. They're just trying to figure out how to move. But as things progress, you really want to start seeing more things being initiated at the hips. And if that's not happening, that will give you, as a physical therapist, something to look at to possibly improve upon.